Okay. Come on, let's go for a walk, Mona. This way. Stop. Sit. Shake. Shake. Okay. Let's go back to swim. Woof woof.
Well,
I'm walking the dog. I'm walking my dog. He has his bone in his mouth. What's my dog's name? Mona. Sit. Good job. Good boy.
You have a boy dog named Mona?
Yeah.
Okay. Just
That's what
checking.
he said his name was. Okay.
well.
I don't know if I have it or not.
That's enough.